back, kings and queens, and welcome if you're new here. My name is Hope King, and I'm the designer behind King's Designs MD. Today, I just want to show you guys how to do an offset. You can do an offset on a print then cut. And I figured what better way to show you how to do an offset than with Offset. So I just uploaded a photo of Offset, the rapper. Uploaded it into my Cricut uploads and applied it to my canvas. And so I'm just going to click on the photo. You notice when you click on the photo, it shows you your features at the top. So I'm just going to click on the offset button, or drop down box rather. And this will allow you to create your offset. Now, offset is pretty much just like the shadow around the item. So if you notice, it will allow you to increase or decrease the offset. And if you go past this half mark line, you would then be creating an inset. So everything from left to right is inset until you hit the middle. And then everything beyond that middle point all the way over to your right is the offset. So you can see the highlight around this image. And so if I just click on it and hit apply, it's giving this huge offset. And so I can choose to keep that, or I can go over here and delete it. I don't like it. Let's say I'm going to delete that. So I'm going to do it again. And let's say I'll choose a smaller offset. I just want a tiny little trim around them. And so that will give me the tiny trim around him as opposed to the large one you saw the first time. Now, like I said, you can do the same thing as an inset. Now, a lot of people want to do the inset more with shapes than with maybe a print and cut image. So I'm going to grab a heart, and I'm just going to leave my heart right here. I will duplicate this so you can see the offset and the inset on the heart. So on the top heart, I'm going to create the offset again. You see the trim. The more I go over, the larger that offset expands. And if you expand it too far out, it almost doesn't even look like a heart anymore. So I'm going to go back in and give it that amount. Now I'm going to go down here and I will do an inset. And so now we're going to the inside of the heart, as you can see. And I'm going to hit apply. And so that's what it would look like as an offset. That's what it will look like as an inset. And you can change the amount of your inset again. Like you're doing offset, and that shows you can do multiple. So that was the original. That's an offset. That's an offset. And so if I keep clicking it, it's going to, excuse me, that's the original. That's an inset. That's an inset. And if I keep clicking it, it's going to give me insets of the original and keep sizing down based on the last one that I did. So that's what the image will continue to shrink itself down to. So that's offset as an offset, a heart offset, a heart with multiple insets, and there you have it. So I hope this helps somebody. Remember to like, comment, and subscribe, and you guys have a great day.